So this will be an unboxing video of this Nilight LED bulbs. These are H7. They'll be used for high beams on my vehicle at least. It comes with some of the additional information on inside about the company, about the product. It comes with 18 months warranty. Also it comes with instructions, installation, depending on which bulb you purchase from this company, which is a great addition. And then you have the light bulbs themselves. Definitely very small light bulbs, all because they are H7, they're not big bulbs. There is a fan on the inside, but it's hard to tell. Right there is the fan, you can see. Solid construction. You can see two-piece sandwich between two pieces. Very solid construction, so they should be providing a way better light output than original OEM halogen. And you get two of them, two identical, one for left side, one for the right side. So